Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to find your lost earbud on your JBL Tune Flex. Well, let's get started. As a first step, we would need to open the JBL headphones application and here select our earbuds. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Find My Buds. Click on it and here you will need to choose which of the earbuds you have lost, the left one or the right one. For example, let's take the right one. Here you will get this message which is saying that you need to take off your earbuds to protect your hearing. Now we can click continue. And you'd be able to hear the sound which is loud enough to find your earbud if it have been lost somewhere in the room or even in the flat. So this is it. Every time when you will lost your earbud, you can open this tab and enable this loud sound to be able to find it. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.